Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add or insert a table into your presentations on Miro. Tables are a great way to organize your data, track progress, and structure information visually during team collaborations, so let's dive into this. Alright guys, so let me navigate to that space here inside my Miro whiteboard and zoom out a bit for a better overview. So what you want to do is take a look at that list of tools on the left-hand side. And here guys, at the very bottom of that list, you'll see the plus icon labeled Tools, Media, and Integrations. Click into it, and among the available formats, select Table, just like that. After that, your cursor will change, as you can see, indicating that you're now ready to place your table. Now, simply left-click wherever you'd like to place your table, just like that. Left-click once, and that's going to add your table to the board. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see it clearly. This table features multiple columns and rows, and you can start customizing it right away. You can, for example, click into any column to edit the content of a given field. You can do the same with rows on the left-hand side. Select them, change their position, or even add new rows or columns depending on your needs. If you need more data points or want to reorganize your structure, you can resize the entire table by dragging the edges or adjust individual cell widths for better readability. You can also change the table layout. For example, switch from a table view to a timeline view if you'd like to visualize your data chronologically, such as for project planning or tracking milestones. That's a great feature for teams working on workflows or content schedules. Now, if you'd like to enter a value into a specific cell, simply left-click into it, type your text or number, and press Enter, and you're all set. You can also format your text inside the cells, like bold, italics, or color, to highlight key information or priorities. Here's a quick pro tip. You can link sticky notes or shapes to your table cells to make interactive dashboards. And if you're collaborating in real time, everyone on the board can see your changes instantly, which makes tables in Miro a great tool for team meetings or visual reports. And that's basically it guys, that's how it works. Now you know how to add and customize tables inside your Miro boards. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new Miro tutorial. We'll see you next time on our channel. Happy collaborating!